Right, hey guys, so today is Glossybox. I haven't opened it at all, as you can see. It's been sat here for a week and has been killing me. Absolutely killing me not to open this. Or have any sneak peeks, or anything like that. So let's dig in. Ugh. Trying to open it gracefully isn't working. I just want to get in it. Right, so. Glossybox. Just give it an open and I'll give you a sneak peek as per. Oh, I really nice. It looks big today. Just unwrap him. And then we will, as always, go through this after we've looked at all the goodies. And let's rip it open. Oh, I'm not being graceful at all today. And there we go. So that's what's inside. Don't know if you can really see. Oh, I see food. Oh, I see food. I see food. So we've got a naked cocoa orange raw nut and fruit bar. Oh, I might try that in a minute. Ooh, I've never tried them. I've always been intrigued. What else have we got? Strawberry booster, 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. I think this was our sneak peek. Actually, I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh, it's a high concentrate of omega fatty acids. Make this powerful skin softener to regenerate and improve skin's moisture levels. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. I don't really need skin moisture levels, I don't think. My skin's quite good when it comes to moisture. It's just a bit oily. Oh, but it's cute. So there is that. Let's see if it says anything else. Today booster. I want to open it and give it a smell. No, I think I will. And if I don't like it, if it's not for me, I'll give it to my mum. Or my sister-in-law. So, doesn't smell of anything. Pop a dot on my hand. Really cute packaging. No, it doesn't really have a scent. It glides into the skin really nicely, actually. But it doesn't have a scent though, which is nice if you're scent sensitive. But that is my hand. It does feel a little bit greasy, the texture, but it is a serum of sorts. That's an oil. But there's that my hand. So that's starting to go in now. I'm just upset it doesn't have a scent. It's really annoying me. I wanted it to smell like strawberries. So again, that's the second one. And then we got clear brow gel. I don't have a brow gel. I have brow pencil, but I don't have a brow gel. And this is from Model Co. Oh, look how pink that packaging is. Right, let's see what this wand looks like, shall we? The wand's a bit big for me, I think. Have a look. I do actually have makeup on for a change. So let's just have a look. Oh no, I don't know. No, it might be alright actually. It is a bit big. So I don't really do makeup on when I'm doing this because I'm not very good at it. It's okay, the wand's a bit big for me. I prefer a smaller wand. But we'll see if that keeps them in place. I mean, the pencil I use is quite waxy. But no, I do like that though. And so that just says, keep those brows in place and it's clear. And it's from Models Co. That is nice. And then what we've got here. Got some tweezers from Bazzy Beauty, I think it is. I have tweezers, but I always lose them. So let's have a look at these. They are just tweezers, but let's have a look, see. Oh, okay, they're pretty. They look, I'm being a bit harsher, they do look quite basic. There's those. They do pinch together quite nicely, but they are just a basic pair of tweezers. But they'll be good as a spare to keep somewhere in my office. And then I've got two more things. This one is Context, and it is Microderm. I can't read. No, I don't know. I'll have a look in a minute. It says it's 2-in-1 daily cleanser and gently exfoliates and smooth purifies. Okay, so it's a cleanser / exfoliator. And it purifies skin and it effectively cleans. So I'll pop it on my hand. Oh, it's got a seal on it. I'll pop it on my hand and just see. I haven't used my last scrub yet. Don't tend to use that many scrubs. It does have. I've had to quite a bit on my hand, which is a bit annoying. So I can show you. It does have like these little ball things in. So I don't know if you can see my crappy lighting. It does have like some little balls in it, and it does have very, very slight scrubbies. I'm just rubbing it into my hand. The balls do disappear, so they're not going to harm the environment. It does have very gentle scrubbies in, but you probably can't see them. It does, and they're not that bad, actually. It's not going to... It feels like you could maybe use it once a day. I wouldn't use it day and night. Well, I personally wouldn't use it day and night, because I don't really like to use scrubs more than twice a week. But this feels like it could be gentle enough to use maybe once a day. Maybe in the evening or something like that. And then the last one is from Beauty Pro, which is CBD oil infused sheet mask. It's got CBD, lavender and rose hip. It says it's put on 15 minutes, it's 100% plant origin, and it's water-based. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And it's from their plant-based range. So I'm wondering then, as it's meant to be all... It's for all skin types. It's also got anti-aging formula, nourishes and smooth stressed out skin. I'm wondering then if I could stick this in my composter as well. But no, I'm quite excited about that actually. So we got the CBD oil sheet mask. We got the strawberry booster serum stuff to help with your moisture levels. We got a set of tweezers. We got some brow gel, and we got the Context face scrub exfoliator and a chocolate bar. Oh, I'm quite excited about that chocolate bar. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to have a look in here. We've got a sneak peek for February, and it just says sleep and refresh on the front of the little leaflet today. And the first thing I'm seeing is the strawberry booster. Let's have a look. Is this full sized? Normally they are. It doesn't tell me if this is full sized or not. It is, I can't really see how many mil it is. This is 15 mil. RRP of it is £12. I'm not sure if this is full sized or not, like I said. It says it's made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry. It's sustainable 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. Is a secret to softer and brighter complexion. Okay, so I can use this then. It just makes soft skin, and my skin is horrible. Rich in antioxidants, we'll get there. Omega-3 and 6, perfect way to soothe, nourish and hydrate dry skin. We'll have to see what it does to my skin. Massage straight into your face, mix 1 or 2 drops with your daily cream, BB cream or foundation to give your complexion an extra boost of moisture. So now, okay, I will give it a go. I do get dry bits just here on my cheeks, so I might just use that for my cheeks. Then the next one is Basic Beauty. I don't know where I got Basie from, but this is from Basic Beauty, and these retail for £15.50. Wow. Oh, sorry, I lied. This is full sized. So this is 12 quid. So I've just realised now on pictures it says here full sized. It's too early for me to be doing this video. So yeah, these are also full size. It says sometimes well-groomed eyebrows is all you need to make your look fresh and put together. Luckily for you, you can expertly shape your brows with these tweezers. It's got the classic slants tip, allows you to easily grab and pluck out small hairs. But yeah, so it's, I mean, I can see where they put this in because you've got the clear brow gel, but £15.50 for pair tweezers? I'd buy mine for a £5 from Boots, if I'm honest. Next one, full size, this is worth £14, and it's the Models Clear Brow Gel, and it just says embrace a fresh and non-makeup look with this vegan and cruelty-free clear brow gel. I'm guessing everything in here is going to be vegan and cruelty-free, seeing as it's Veganary this year. Yeah, this month. Where are we? It says you can either use it to shape your brows and hold hairs in place for a clean, polished look, or apply over your eyebrow pencil or powder to set the colour in. Either way, it's lightweight formula will keep your brows looking flawless all day. It says lightweight, but I can really feel it on my eyebrows. I don't know if it's just because I don't really wear a brow gel, but I can definitely feel it on my eyebrows. Next one is full size, and it's £5.95 for this. Even if you haven't had your full 8 hours, you'll still have glowing skin thanks to this biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. Okay, so if you do have a composter, that can go straight in your composter. Infused with anti-inflammatory cannabis, basically. I can't even read. Helps to restore, calm and soothe your complexion while also evening out your skin tone, reducing the appearance of blemishes. Apply onto cleansed skin for 15 to 20 minutes, gently remove and massage in any extra oil. I like that. I really, really like that mask actually. I like the fact that it's vegan, it's cruelty free. My skin seems to really agree with vegan skincare, especially if it's all natural, which this is. It's got 100% plant origins, and it's biodegradable, so you can stick it. Well, it says biodegradable. I'm guessing as it's biodegradable, it can get stuck into your composter, which is what I will do afterwards. So now I'm really, really chuffed with this. The packaging. Oh, this is also made in Korea. So it's all part of the Korean stuff as well, which is really, really nice. And then the last thing actually tells me on here, so this must be just an extra treat, so I'm going to have a munch on that in a minute, is the Microderma Regenerator. There we go. I can finally say the word. So it's the Microderm Regenerator. Let the make your skin look refreshed and renewed, quite like an exfoliation. Boasting the same exfoliating crystals as used in professional treatments. I've lost where I am now. Where was I? Oh, this 2-in-1 cleanser exfoliator gently remove dead skin cells to reveal a brighter, healthier looking skin. It also blends sunflower and jojoba oils with vitamins A, E, and C to smooth, cleanse, and protect your complexion. Massage into wet skin and then rinse to remove. So this is the Deluxe Mini. The Deluxe Mini is worth £6.50 and is 30ml. The full size is 120ml and is RRP of £27. So I'm not sure what I think of this box actually. I really, really liked my Birchbox. This one, I don't know. I think I love this product. Love this. I do like an exfoliator, so I'm not going to complain about that. This is nice. It's just not quite for my skin, I don't think, but I'm still going to be using it. The clear brow gel, I'm not sure. I think they do a good thing by going clear, not tinted. I will probably still use it as well because I'm almost out of brow product anyway. It's the Tweezers. Basic Beauty Tweezers. I'm a bit annoyed that they put that in. That's the only thing, but they also have put it in the chocolate box and they do redeem themselves. So, now we've looked through all of that stuff, let's have a look at the sneak peek. So, sneak peek. Next month, we're embracing the universal language of love and celebrating all its forms with our glossy friends around the world. So, to show how much we love you, we'll be treating you to a glow elixir worth £35 will instantly brighten your complexion and give you some seriously dewy radiance. So, we have, I'm guessing, some sort of highlighter. I'm not good with makeup. I like makeup, I prefer skincare. I'm guessing it's some sort of highlighter. But yes, that's everything we got. I am going to quickly try this before I go, just so we can see what it tastes like. I'm not a big fan of nuts, so we will see. So that's what it looks like. Oh, it smells like a terry chocolate orange, actually. I'm gonna have a little bite. It's gluten, wheat and dairy free as well. It is actually quite nice. I don't know if it's vegan though. I don't know, I'm trying to look on the pack. Oh yeah, 25 a day, 100% vegan. Yeah. Oh. It's gluten free, delicious. It's cold pressed, so it's not baked. It's got no added sugar or syrups, and that is bloody nice. That tastes just like a. I'm gonna have to bite that toast chocolate orange, but have a lot healthier. So it's got dates, cashew nuts, raisins, cocoa, and a hint of natural orange flavouring. That is the ingredients. It is 40% dates and cashews, but that is really good. So on that note, guys, if you liked this video and want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I do try and post every week. Yeah, I do try and do an unboxing every week. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm now going to go because that is really good. I'm going to go finish that off and have a cup of tea. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again next week. See ya!